Our emphasis in developing the sector should be more on SMMEs, with regards to the fact that the WTO indicates that in developed economies, SMMEs account for 90% of the business population. They also contribute between 60 to 70% in terms of employment, and about 55% to 60% in terms of gross domestic product. We've also highlighted the fact that through the policy shifts and the current policy, it states that government should be moving away from the direct management of plantations, but to focus more on creating enabling conditions for the sector to thrive, and to also focus more on policy as well as issues of regulation. Now, there are a number of interventions that were highlighted. I'll just focus on the key ones, being the fact that we have recently developed the forestry sector master plan. Though I say recently, it's in its fourth year of implementation, and this master plan seeks to encourage the issue of the creation of employment, about 100,000 jobs, as well as the issue of investment, competitiveness. And in terms of investment, we have reached about 32 billion, which has been focused on the downstream processing industries. I would like to conclude by saying we should accelerate more on the implementation of the master plan and align the master plan to the medium-term development plan.